Hi friends, this video is to discuss one common question which I am sure must have also crossed your mind at one point of time in your journey in MuleSoft. And the question is why MuleSoft recommends DataWeave? Because the same functionality can be very easily achieved by using the custom Java code. So uh, there are few things to consider here. One is that DataWave is a new programming language and developer has to learn it and master it before they can start using it. On the other hand, Java is quite easy and comfortable to use, especially if you have prior experience of working on the Java code. So in spite of this, MuleSoft recommends DataWeave for any data mapping or data transformation. So this sounds a bit of confusing, isn't it? So let's see why MuleSoft recommends DataWeave or what are the benefits of DataWeave over the Java. And the best way to find this out is by comparing the performance of DataWeave and Java custom code in different scenarios. So for this performance comparison, we are considering two XMLs. One is the product XML and other is the bill XML. And what we are going to do is that we are going to uh, apply different transformations on these two XMLs, and we are going to see how DataWeave and Java custom code fares on the different use cases. So let's see the first use case. So first use case is that we have to increase the products prices by 1% and return the updated product list. So this is the simple transformation on that product XML. And for this particular test, the load which was considered was 100 products of in that XML and 50 bill elements in that bills XML. So in this case, you can see that average time consumed by Java code and DataWeave is almost similar, though the max time varies a lot. But at this moment, we can ignore the max time or min time because it also depends on the processing strategy and also uh, uh, the way machines are working or the configurations of those machines will working. So we can consider the average time. I think that is sufficient to benchmark the performance. So yeah, in first use case, both of them are performing quite similar. So now let's move on to the next use case. So in next use case, we are going to upgrade the bill XML with the product information. So as you can this is the join of two XML files. The requirement here is to fetch out some data from product, put it into the bill XML and return it back. So in this particular case, you can see DataWeave performs quite extraordinarily as compared to custom Java codes. DataWeave takes around 5 to 10 milliseconds of average time, whereas for same transformation Java code takes 60 plus milliseconds of time. So here DataWeave is definitely outshining Java custom code. Let's move on to next use case. So in next use case, the requirement is to transform the XML to JSON and extract out some information out of it. So in this case also both custom Java code as well as DataWeave performs quite similar. Now let's see the next use case. So in next use case, again the data transformation requirement is that we need to retrieve the products information in the descending order and we have to order it by price. So in this case also you can see the average time taken by DataWeave is around 15 or 18 you can say, whereas for the same transformation Java custom code takes 33 milliseconds of time. So out of these four use cases, you can see that in two use cases, DataWeave is taking half of the time which would be required by custom Java code. And in other two use cases also, DataWeave is uh, equal to, or you can say marginally less than the Java custom code. And that marginal difference goes on increasing if we increase the load. So that's why in terms of the processing or in terms of processing performance, DataWeave is much more better than the Java custom code. So uh, so far we have talked about the performance as the key differentiator. So now let's compare them on one more parameter, which is the number of lines of code which is written for this particular benchmarking exercise. So you can see that for all the four use cases that we just now discussed, the number of lines of code required in case of DataWeave is quite less than that of the Java custom code. In fact, you can see that for use case 2, use case 3 and use case 4, it is 1/4 of the lines which are required by Java custom code. So I am sure that these two particular comparison are sufficient for you to use DataView instead of Java. DataView is difficult in the beginning, no doubt about that, but eventually you will realize that it provides lot of flexibility and ease while dealing with the big data transformation. So this was about the today's video. There are some useful Udemy links which are provided in the description. You might want to check them out, and you can check other videos in my channel by browsing through the channel videos. So thank you very much for watching. Do share, like and subscribe.